How you going? You guys looking for the gate?
No.
We just came out through the gate. Bubba.
There's a gate in front too.
This is Curtis with the Life Saving Crew.
How you doing? I'm Jeff Full.
Yeah, good to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
We got the call directly at Kingsport, and so I've just taken a look, and there's nobody here from Hawkins County yet.
Yeah.
So I've called Hawkins County EMA, and it's kind of going to be his deal.
Okay.
I'm just an advisor at this
Okay.
point.
So they came when you called?
I called him. I talked to him directly. Yeah.
Well, they called. We got the call through Central Dispatch, and they wouldn't. Yeah, they said that they couldn't do nothing.
I just talked to Gary Merle. Can we call him? This is a county property. Well, it's the TVA at Kingsport, the city of Kingsport and Hawkins County manage this property jointly. He's given to them. There it is.
And it sounded like two different barks. So I wonder if there's. He said he saw two dogs out here yesterday. So I wonder if there are two dogs. Sounds like there's more than one dog.
There is. You can't, because one dog's deeper than the other one.
Let me let you know Bobo with Tom Stevens. Jeff Bobo. Can you yell that?
Thank you.
Yep.
That's me. Big enough for a dog.
Use his trick with them boards.
You mind if I come in too? No. Easier to ask for forgiveness than permission?
In all actuality, this may be a multi-agency.
Bet that water ain't warm either. Not that far now.
Is this the big one that he's in? Poor little fella.
You okay? Huh? Probably. 99%.
That's pretty much the stance we've taken now.
It's okay. It's all right, bud.
Are you the assistant director?
Me? No, I'm just a volunteer. Squad member, yada, yada, yada.
Can you keep looking?
It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. Calm down, bud. He's trying to burn it. It's okay. Bless it. He's trying to climb out of it.
Yeah, I think it just needs to sit back calm.
Communications trailer, and they should have the ropes and the tripod. Okay. They should cover it.
Somebody need to bring everything to a compliance
Okay,
station.
go ahead and do. I'll active 911 it. And
You're up to speed.
And we'll have someone meet them at the end of Fifth Bend Road.
Okay.
All right, thank you. And they can count. Yeah, they can make sure. Well, I done got to go to store.
I couldn't tell if that was some kind of...
We're not on county property. That's my issue now.
Right.
We're going to have to notify them and let them come here and see what's going on.
Yeah, the sheriff's department, the central dispatch called us. So
Okay.
we
Why don't you call local people?
we did.
Who?
Well, the central dispatchers who called us and said that the sheriff's department or emergency can't do anything.
Because I made the first call.
Yeah, he made the first call.
911?
I called, no, I didn't call 911. I called all 3 local fire departments.
Fire department. That's what I'm saying.
I mean, I don't know.
Yeah,
Rescue squad in Hawkins County was never called.
Yeah, we called.
Well, I called dispatch.
Who'd you call?
I first called the fire department. I called Churchill and then the Churchill Rescue Squad, and then I called the Hawkins County one in downtown Rogersville.
Okay, you need to find out who you talked to and see if they want.
No, I couldn't get an answer in downtown Rogersville, and then I put.
Okay, well, we're gonna get the dog out one way or the other. That dog's coming out of there.
If you have
It is a confined space system. It's gonna be tight and it's gonna have to take a lot of people. You're gonna have to have confined space, the tripods, and you're gonna have to have rope. Okay, come down. We'll get people back to get you back in here. Okay. All right. All righty. All right. Bye bye. Optometrist or what? He needs a veterinarian.
ophthalmologist.
Hello.
Strange one. Huh?
Yeah.
Looks like about a... He's really sharp.
Let me get some glasses down.
Thanks a lot. Well, aside from that old metal door frame or whatever it is, it doesn't make it right. Well, I don't want to get big and start shaking this thing. What do you think?
We could probably carry it from there.
We got it. Lightweight.
These elevated things, this is probably holes.
Looks like it's staying. So, 2 foot?
They would have to swim, wouldn't it? To get in that hole, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Somebody.
And you can see up on it where he's thrashing around and splashed water.
I don't think somebody's been down in there. What's it?
Can you flash your light down there? Oh, you don't have a light. Poor feller.
Yeah, no kidding.
Well, this is actually his lucky day.
He is lucky. How did they find him?
We hear you, baby.
Oh, man. He's got to be exhausted.
I don't think he's swimming, so that's good.
Hi, sweetheart.
I'm imagining it goes down and
He
goes
definitely looks
back.
like a cow giving one.
I wonder if these are connected, if you fell in, like went in that one.
Let's look down
I
here.
don't see a dog falling out. It could have been.
You can do this one.
I mean, that may have happened. I don't think it'll happen. All right. Everybody stay away from the holes. I'm not going in for somebody. Don't want to go in for somebody. All right, let's go back out.
Thank you for that.
That's fine.
Can you tell me the situation?
Yeah, so I'm Curtis Weiniger, Deputy Chief Kingsport Life Saving Crew. And we were called to assess the situation. There was a report of a dog who was trapped in a manhole here at Phibbs Bend Industrial Park. We found this dog about 45 to 50 pounds. It looks right now to be some type of a pit, maybe collie mix. It's inside of a manhole about 36 inches wide and probably 30 feet down. So we're gonna do a high angle confined space rescue.
Okay.
Rescue 2, you found your way down.
Fishing lines, trash everywhere, more than we could pick up. That man is in there legal doing something with this right here.
Rescue 2, have you found your way down through here?
Are you the veterinarian?
I'm not a veterinarian. My wife works at the veterinarian.
Oh, okay.
She sent me down here.
Okay.
I've got some animal control experience. So.
Okay. You're gonna consult.
Yes.
Okay. Could I have your name? I think you're in some pictures.
My name is Richard Crino. His last name is C-R-I-N-O.
C-R-I-N-O. Okay. What's the name of that veterinary office over there?
Churchill Vet.
Okay.
Follow it all the way back.
All right. Thank you.
And it's going to be a small right-hand turn.
The rescue that you described, can you tell me what that entails?
We're going to assess the situation a little further once we get equipment here and we get more minds to brainstorm, but it looks like we'll probably set up a tripod and a rope rescue system. We're going to check the air quality to make sure that that environment is safe to enter. If it's not, we'll have to use a supplied air system to enter the hole.
Is somebody going to lower down then and get the dog?
Yeah, probably so.
Okay, it's pretty tight. Who's going to do that?
I'm not sure.
The smallest guy on the team?
We will we'll figure that out once we plan the rescue. Yeah.
All right, I guess that's all I was going to ask you. Unless there's something else that you think people would be interested to know about something like this.
No, I think we'll know more once we get the whole team here and the team talks about the situation. We make a plan.
How did you get involved in this again? You kind of got here before anybody.
I was called by the Humane Society to come and take a look, and I worked with Gary Merle to kind of assess the situation.
All right, well.
Oh, look, her nose is so high. It looks so good. I need to call her back. She's going straight there.
Yeah, we're going to need more. Yeah, I got it.
Timmy's gonna be so nice.
I didn't want you to fall back on it. How far is it, Brad? That's what
We may need to go to Chinese food books. I'll give you extra link. I'll try to fish them out. Go ahead and try to.
Before you're out, partners here. Are they out there? Your friend, while you're doing that,
Okay.
I don't know which one of these people see you. You want to put this loop on the end of that? Oh, look at that one he's got. That's what you think about.
Think it'll be better?
Yeah, that's yours.
It's got to get hold of the loop a little bit.
You think that'll stay open?
Will it stay open? Yeah, probably. Here comes the live.
That's better.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay, keep tying. Just tie it to the rope.
We're going to set these plywood down there. Go ahead. What's the speed? You're fine. You want over there? Yeah, going over there. You can, that way the flag follows. Just go it, Stevie, go it back up.
You need another piece?
Yeah, the overlapping. Help here.
Yeah, you only need the one rescue today.
Yes, if two pieces breaks, then you got something to blame on.
I'm probably the only one in here that can do it too.
Puppy! Hello, puppy! Hello, puppy! Hello, puppy! Hello! Come on, puppy! You got one chance. You got a leg.
Well, you got a leg and a neck.
You got a leg. You're not going to choke him. Go with it.
Come on, buddy.
Straight up. Straight up. He's coming. You got it. Come on. Come on. There you go. Hang on, he may be wild. He's okay. What do you say? Great Scott. Wrap him up here. Take care. Don't let nobody else come in. Dog's out.
The dog is out?
Yeah, dog's out.
I didn't want to do that.
That's a good pup. Look at the legs.
Gary Moore,
That was a risk.
who did that?
He's my dad.
This damn camera ain't worth a fuck. It won't shoot. I got the video. I can't get a picture right now.
Hey, you know, you think you're crazy.
We just pulled him up.
This damn thing will not shoot.
Yeah.
Did you look with that?
With that, he was
Big boy.
He was trying to come up with you, wasn't he?
right now.
He was trying to climb it.
You watch it.
There's one me and you. There's one me and you get in that one.
Their plan changed.
Yeah, it worked out better. There was a nuclear reactor in here, so the Geiger counter still picks up radiation, though. Let me go out ahead. Poor old boy, probably never thought he was going to see daylight again.
you go down?
It wasn't, the rescue wasn't as complicated as you thought it was going to be. Tell me what y'all did.
No, it wasn't. We had initially contemplated using just a rope and a noose to lift the dog out, just to kind of hook the dog with the noose and pull him out of the hole, but we were afraid that we would cause injury to the dog. Over the last 30 minutes, the condition of the dog deteriorated quite a bit, so we were all in agreement that we didn't have enough time to rig a confined space rescue. So we went to the backup plan and we noosed the dog out, and he was uninjured. I think he's going to be a whole lot better off.
Okay, that's good. Thank you.